What if I told you there's a waterfall in Antarctica that runs blood red? Or that there are massive drawings in a desert so large they can only be seen from an airplane? Our planet is dotted with enigmatic locations that defy easy explanation, where the lines between nature, human ingenuity, and the unknown blur into a single, captivating mystery. These aren't just myths or legends, they are real places you can visit. We're about to journey to the world's most baffling destinations, from ancient cities built on water to stones that move on their own. Prepare to question what you think you know as we explore the secrets of Earth's most mysterious places. Deep in the southeastern Pacific Ocean lies one of the most remote inhabited islands on Earth. Rapa Nui, better known as Easter Island. Its isolation is profound, but what truly sets it apart are the silent, stoic guardians that line its coast, the moai. Over 1,000 of these colossal stone statues are scattered across the island, some standing up to 33 feet tall and weighing a staggering 82 tons. The central mystery has always been twofold. How did an ancient civilization with limited resources and no modern machinery carve and transport these giants? And what led to the sudden collapse of their society? For centuries, researchers have debated these questions. The oral traditions of the Rapa Nui people speak of the moai walking to their platforms, a feat that some researchers have shown was possible using ropes and manpower. The statues were likely carved to honor deified ancestors, but why they were placed in their specific locations was a puzzle until recently. Studies have suggested many were built near vital freshwater sources essential for survival on an island with few rivers. Yet the enigma deepened in February 2023 when a brand new moai was discovered for the first time ever at the bottom of a dried-up crater lake. This unexpected find in a place previously thought to be fully catalogued proves that Easter Island has not given up all its secrets. No list of mysterious places is complete without the only surviving wonder of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. For 4,500 years, it has stood as a testament to an incredible feat of engineering that continues to baffle experts today. Constructed from millions of stone blocks, some weighing over 80 tons, its construction without modern tools seems almost impossible. The precision of its alignment with the cardinal points of the compass is astonishing, a detail that suggests a profound understanding of astronomy and mathematics. The biggest question remains: how was it built? Theories range from massive ramps to complex systems of levers and pulleys, but none fully account for the scale and speed of its construction. The mystery of the pyramid isn't just external. For centuries, explorers believed they had mapped its every passage and chamber, but modern technology is proving them wrong. Using cosmic ray imaging, a technique that can detect voids inside solid structures, scientists have begun to reveal hidden secrets. In 2017, a massive 98-foot-long void was discovered, and in March 2023, another hidden corridor about 30 feet long was confirmed above the main entrance. These sealed-off chambers, untouched for millennia, add new layers to the pyramid's enduring enigma. What purpose did they serve? What treasures or knowledge might they hold? The Great Pyramid reminds us that even the most studied monument on Earth can still hold profound surprises. Stretching across the arid plains of the Nazca Desert in southern Peru is a collection of artwork so vast they can only be truly appreciated from the sky. These are the Nazca Lines, a series of more than 1,000 geoglyphs depicting animals, plants, human-like figures, and perfect geometric shapes. Created by the ancient Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, these designs were made by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles on the desert surface to reveal the lighter-colored ground beneath. The mystery is not how they were made, but why. Were they an astronomical calendar, pointing to constellations or solstices? Were they religious symbols meant to be seen by deities in the sky? Or were they pathways for ritual processions? The theories are as numerous as the lines themselves. In a modern twist, the mystery has only deepened. In recent years, and especially in 2024, researchers using drones and artificial intelligence have discovered hundreds of new geoglyphs previously invisible to the human eye. These finds include depictions of cats, snakes, birds, and even a strange figure of a killer whale holding a weapon, hinting at sacrificial rituals. The use of AI has helped identify over 300 new figures, nearly doubling the number of known geoglyphs, and proving that this ancient desert canvas still has many more stories to tell. It's a stretch of ocean that needs no introduction, a place where fact and folklore have merged into an enduring legend. The Bermuda Triangle, a loosely defined area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, earned its fearsome reputation from the dozens of ships and aircraft that have vanished within its boundaries, often without a trace. For decades, tales of spinning compasses, sudden storms, and unexplained disappearances have fueled theories ranging from alien abduction to time warps. While many of the original stories have been debunked or exaggerated, scientists acknowledge that the region does possess a unique and dangerous combination of environmental factors. The Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current, can create violent and unpredictable weather. The area is also prone to rogue waves and massive storms. More compellingly, some theories point to huge deposits of methane hydrates on the seabed. An eruption of this gas could, in theory, lower the density of the water so dramatically that a ship could sink in seconds. Other research points to magnetic anomalies that could interfere with navigation, as well as unique hexagonal clouds capable of generating air bombs with winds exceeding 170 miles per hour. Though the U.S. Geological Survey states no large methane releases are believed to have happened in the last 15,000 years, the Bermuda Triangle's reputation persists, a powerful reminder of the ocean's formidable and sometimes mysterious power. We've journeyed from ancient monoliths to cryptic desert drawings, but we're only just getting started. Each of these places holds a piece of a puzzle we're still trying to solve. Which of these mysteries fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this journey into the unknown, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2 of our exploration. From space, it looks like a giant bullseye embedded in the earth, a mesmerizing 25-mile wide swirl in the heart of the Sahara Desert. This is the Richat structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara. For decades, it was believed to be an ancient impact crater, but further study revealed a different, though no less mysterious origin. Geologists now believe it is a deeply eroded geological dome, a natural formation lifted from the earth and sculpted by wind and water over 100 million years. But its perfect symmetry and concentric rings have fueled a far more tantalizing theory that the Ricat structure is the location of the lost city of Atlantis. According to Plato's account, Atlantis was the city made of concentric rings of land and water, with mountains to the north and an opening to the sea in the south. Proponents of the theory point out the striking similarities. The structure has rings that match Plato's description, and its size is a close match to the dimensions he gave for the city. While archaeologists have found no definitive proof of an advanced civilization here, the visual parallels are so uncanny that the Eye of the Sahara remains a focal point for one of history's greatest legends. In 1986, a diver off the coast of Japan's Yamaguni Island stumbled upon something that would ignite a decades-long debate. Submerged beneath the waves was a massive rock formation, a series of immense tiered platforms with seemingly flat faces and sharp 90-degree angles. Now known as the Yamaguni Monument, this structure is enormous, measuring about 500 feet long and 90 feet high. The central question is simple but profound. Is it man-made or is it natural? Skeptics argue that the monument is a product of natural geological processes, shaped by strong ocean currents and the sandstone's tendency to break along straight plains. However, others, like marine geologist Masaki Kimura, are convinced it's an artificial structure. They point to features that appear to be carved steps, stone pillars, and even a formation resembling a giant stone turtle as evidence of human design. Kimura theorizes it could be the remnant of a 10,000-year-old city from the last ice age, a Japanese Atlantis submerged by rising sea levels. Without conclusive evidence like tools or pottery, the Yamaguni Monument remains suspended between a geological wonder and a lost chapter of human history, its true origin story still waiting to be told. In the stark white expanse of Antarctica's Taylor Glacier, a bizarre and unsettling sight appears. A 5-story waterfall that pours out a blood-red plume, staining the ice in a gruesome display. This is Blood Falls, one of the most otherworldly phenomena on the planet. For over a century since its discovery in 1911, the source of its crimson color was a mystery, with early theories blaming red algae. The truth, however, is far more fascinating. The waterfall is fed by a subglacial lake trapped beneath the ice for millions of years. This ancient water is incredibly salty and crucially rich in iron, which it is scraped from the bedrock below. Completely cut off from sunlight and oxygen, it hosts a unique ecosystem of microbes that survive in these extreme conditions. When this iron-rich water finally seeps out from the glacier and makes contact with the air, the iron oxidizes, it essentially rusts, turning the water its shocking blood-red color. Recent research using powerful microscopes revealed the iron is contained in tiny nanospheres, which are 1/100th the size of a human red blood cell, and were too small to be detected by earlier analysis. Blood Falls is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a window into a hidden world, offering clues about how life might survive in the harsh, sunless environments of other planets and moons in our solar system. From the silent moai of a lost civilization to the blood-red tears of a glacier, the earth is rich with places that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. They are a powerful testament to the planet's immense geological forces and the enduring ingenuity of ancient peoples. These locations prove that for every question we answer, a new, more profound mystery often takes its place. They remind us that there are still secrets buried beneath the sands, hidden under the waves, and locked away in the most remote corners of our world, waiting for the next generation of explorers to find them. The greatest adventure is knowing that there is always more to discover.